Proof of the law of conservation of linear momentum. Let I say there are two objects, one is of mass m1, another is of mass m2. Both are moving in one direction with speed u1 and u2. If I say u1 is greater than u2, then definitely there will be collision. So I say this is the situation before collision. And let after the collision, speed of the m1 becomes v1 and speed of m2 will becomes v2. This is a situation after collision. This is after collision. So during the collision, one body is applying the force on the another body. This is a situation you can say during collision. During collision, this body is m1, this body is m2. Let force applied by m1 on m2 is given by force on 2 due to 1, and m2 at the time of the collision applying the action reaction, that is force on 1 due to 2. According to Newton's third law of motion, force on 1 due to 2 equal to negative the force on 2 due to 1, and force is known as the mass into acceleration. Here also force is known as the mass into acceleration. Here acceleration of the first body, here is the acceleration of the second body. Now m1, acceleration is known as the v minus u upon t. So here we will write v1 minus u1 upon t, because v1 final speed, u1 initial speed, equal to minus m2. a2 is given by v2 minus u2 upon t. T is the time of contact, so t cancel. Next step we will write m1 v1 minus u1 equal to minus m2 v2 minus u2. Open the bracket. m1 v1 minus m1 u1 minus m2 v2 plus m2 u2. So we can write m1 v1 plus m2 v2, इस माइनस को उधर ले जाओगे प्लस हो जाएगा m1 u1 plus m2 u2. It means we can say final momentum of the system equal to initial momentum of the system. So this is the proof of law of conservation of linear momentum with the help of Newton's third law of motion.